In this video, we'll show you 10 best things to do in Chicago. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and share your own Windy City experience or ask a question in the comments below. And stick around until the end of this video because we have an extra recommendation for you. The Chicago Riverwalk is a versatile public space nestled along the Chicago riverbank, surrounded by skyscrapers and buildings. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll along the river, with outdoor bars and restaurants offering stunning views. The area also features public art installations and offers activities such as kayaking and riverboat tours. On St. Patrick's Day, the river is famously dyed green for the holiday. Number 9. Magnificent Mile is a vibrant commercial district and shopping destination that stretches from the Chicago River along Michigan Avenue. It boasts luxury boutiques, historic buildings like the Tribune Tower and the Chicago Water Tower, and unique bars and restaurants. Number 8. Millennium Park, located in downtown Chicago's Grant Park area, offers a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The park features the J. Pritzker Pavilion, the iconic Cloudgate sculpture, the Bean, and other attractions. Number 7. Chicago's diverse cultural background has given rise to various iconic dishes, including Chicago-style pizza, Maxwell Street Polish, and Chicago-style hot dogs. Brownies were also invented in Chicago. Number 6. The Field Museum is one of the world's largest natural history museums, with extensive scientific specimens and collections. Chicago has other world-class museums, such as the Museum of Science and Industry and the Museum of Contemporary Art. Number 5. Adler Planetarium, America's first planetarium, is located on Northerly Island and features space science exhibitions, observatories, and a fantastic view of the Chicago skyline. Nearby, the Shed Aquarium houses around 32,000 animals. Number 4. Lake Michigan, one of the Great Lakes, offers various activities along its shoreline, including the Chicago Lakefront Trail, beaches, water sports, and sailing cruises. Number 3. The Chicago Theatre District, situated in the Loop, boasts over 250 theatres with world-class productions, including the historic Chicago Theatre. Number 2. Skydeck Chicago Observation Deck, atop the Willis Tower, provides breathtaking panoramic views of Chicago and Lake Michigan. Another observation deck, 360 Chicago, is located in the John Hancock Center. Number 1. Navy Pier, a 3,300-foot-long pier on Lake Michigan, offers a wide range of family attractions, dining options, and more. It originally served as a training center for the U.S. Navy during WWatch and features the iconic Ferris wheel. Bonus: Route 66, one of the most famous U.S. highways, begins in Chicago and stretches all the way to Santa Monica Pier in Los Angeles, offering travelers a historic and iconic road trip experience. Chicago provides endless opportunities for architecture, museums, outdoor adventures, and delicious cuisine.